Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this tech tutorial video, we're going to reveal to you how you can zoom out and zoom in the Waterfox web browser. So let us dive into this. So guys, step number one, launch the Waterfox web browser. Step number two, enable the menu bar. You can do this by right-clicking into that area next to your tabs and by enabling the menu bar. Here guys, once you're inside the menu bar, click into View, hover your mouse over your zoom, and select one of these zoom options. Zoom text only, actual size, which is for me currently disabled, zoom out and zoom in. So let me do that really quickly. There you go. You zoom in again, and there you go. So you may do it that way. Alternatively, guys, you may simply use the shortcuts, Control plus plus, Control plus minus. So let me do that really quickly. Control minus or Command minus if you're using a Mac. Zoom in, zoom out. And the last option, guys, would be to simply press and hold a left control on your keyboard and to use your mouse wheel for the zoom in or zoom out effect. There you go. You will see the zoom level here in the top right, so you may click into it to restore the default 100% zoom. That's it, guys. That's how it works. Hope you enjoyed it, got some value from it, and we'll catch you later.